They're back. YouTube family. They're back, man. Back in the collection. What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay, the sneaker guy, coming at y'all today with a unboxing video of a shoe that will never, I ain't gonna say no. I'm gonna leave hope. But I don't think that this shoe will release again. I don't want to use the E word, but I don't think it's gonna release again. But who knows? You know what I'm saying? This is a shoe that I had, bruh. I had when these first came out. I got this shoe when they first came out for $800. The price since then has doubled on this shoe. So hey, do not fast forward, do not skip anything in this video. Trust me, gonna want to watch this whole video, man. But this is a shoe that's on a lot of people's list, and people just really don't want to pay for them. They really can't find them, and it's just a lot of different things that go with this shoe, man. But I'm about to talk to y'all about the shoe that I have in this box that I had seller's remorse with, man. June, bruh. June is a month that is very slow. You know, we don't have too much coming out, so you know, it's a slow month. So your boy has been, you know, looking back at shoes that I was like, do I miss those? Do I want to get those back? You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen, if you haven't, or if you have seen, your boy did pick up a shoe recently that was under the same circumstances. I did get the Air Jordan 4 Raptors, which was a shoe that I have seen recently, and I was like, bruh, I sold my pair, I want to get those back. So I got those back, and this is the same scenario, y'all. So we gonna dive into it. Before we do it, this is your first time stopping through, man, welcome. I appreciate y'all, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all stick around, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, this is where y'all gonna want to be, man. I'm about to hit y'all with some crazy movies, bruh. I got some heat on the way, so trust me, swaps, all that stuff, man. So it's gonna be a fulfilled, like, I'm gonna try to make it this month, you know what I'm saying, because I know it's a slow month. Even though it's a slow month, we still gonna bang out content, man. So for that, make sure y'all subscribe, as well as give the video a thumbs up, man. Your boy's gonna hit y'all with this daily content, keep y'all entertained, man. In the words of Gladiator, I think is the movie, y'all told me, y'all put me on. I still haven't seen it, but are you not entertained? Are you not? Maybe not, I don't know, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, bruh, before we dive into the video, man, we got to give a shout out to today's sponsors, man. Sole Premise. Oh my God, bang, man. Shout out to Sole Premise for the dope bag, as always, man. This is the Luciano leather bag. This bag right here is the step up from the daily commuter bag. This bag right here holds a 6 pairs of shoes, top, bottom, and you do have 3 different slots, man. So you do the math, as well as you got storage space on the bottom of this bag, storage space right here, and then just storage all over, man. You can hold like a 4-day trip in this backpack style bag, which is kind of crazy that you can take this on the plane, TSA approved, all that good stuff, and you can hold so much in it, man. Grab this bag now while they're cheap. I'm gonna use that C word because told y'all in my last video when I talked about these, man, they just linked up with the NBA, bruh. So NBA has partnered with them, you know what I'm saying? So y'all already know what's gonna happen with them prices, man. So don't sleep on these Sole Premise bags, y'all. Make sure y'all grab them while y'all can. There is a promo code. I would just tell y'all, Jay the Sneaker Guy is down below in the description. Make sure you use that, or you can just click the link that is down low in the description. It'll get, I think it's automatically applied if you use the link, man. But if it's not, use promo code Jay the Sneaker Guy, almost half off. Almost half off. I don't know how long I'll have that discount for, man. So hey, take advantage while you can, y'all. These are some good bags. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing that, you know, I wouldn't cop myself, man. Premium level quality. I always get people asking me about these bags whenever I'm traveling and all that good stuff, man. So make sure you check it out, man. I would recommend start with the daily commuter, man, but the Luciano leather bag, can't go wrong with these as well, man. But yes, sir, that is it for the bag, man. Like I did say, your boy had to reach back. I had to go back and grab a shoe that is now going for double the price that I paid for it back when I first got it. But hopefully they did me right with these, man. Let's get into it. Woo-wee! They're back. Bang, man. So right here I do have a package, man. Your boy went over to GOAT, man. I went over to GOAT for this one. Because I had GOAT credit. That's the only reason I went over there. I actually would have went over to StockX and used my promo code, but since I had some credit over on GOAT, I said, let me go ahead and grab these guys from over there, man. But popping open the box, man. I hope, let me pray, bro. Gotta say a quick prayer before you open up these boxes, bro, because you always buy blindly, which means you don't know what they're gonna send you. What is fine to them might be a no-go for you. So you know what I'm saying? You gotta pray over them, bro. But anyways, I mean, it ain't that serious, it's just shoes, but comes with this brown paper on the top. Woo-wee! There go the box, there go the box. The box is looking a little off, y'all. It's looking a little off, man. Whew. Let's take it out. Let's take it out, man. Anybody want to guess before I show y'all what I got in this box? What did I get back? What didn't I have in my collection video, man? I know y'all ready to see it. Man, we got, bang! As you can see, we got Flight written on the bottom, a Jumpman on the top, Swish cheesed up, man. So we got that Swish cheese box. It looked like it was on the bottom of some boxes. As you can see that dent. If you know about stacking boxes, you know about this look, man. Somebody had to be stacking these on top of some other boxes. But anyways, man, you do got this box, man. The size tag on this one reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. Color blocking is cell, muslin, white, black. Yes, got them back, bruh. So that is the size tag, man, bruh. $200 is what they retail for, as you can see right there, man. That's just crazy, bruh. That's crazy, man. Of course, I paid a couple $100 for them on top of my GOAT credit. Just a couple $100, not too nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, if it weren't for that GOAT credit, I don't even know if I would have grabbed these, man. But you know, hey, it is what it is, man. But popping off the box lid, nothing special about the box lid. Swiss cheese, shoes. Whoo, we got the Air Jordan 4 off-whites, man. Back in the collection. Bang! So here they go, y'all, man. This was a release from 2021. I think it's been 2 years, bro. I think it's been a whole 2 years, and I hope they did me right, man. It's look okay. I hope they okay. It's looking alright. It's looking alright. Hopefully everything. Let me see the other shooting before I talk, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Smell test, yeah, but the smell really don't be doing too much nowadays. I gotta do more of a thorough check, man. Your boy has to, off camera, I gotta look more into these, bro, because this is too much money to play with, you know what I'm saying? But sticker, all that good stuff in here, man, y'all ain't trying to see that, man. Let me set this up real quick. But yeah, man, I got them back in the collection, bro. This is another one. Will there be another shoe this month that your boy goes back and picks up, man? But ooh, man, I'm gonna throw these on feet immediately so I don't sell them again, man. That's part of the reason why I sold my first pair, because I didn't wear them, but these is going on feet. Bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 off-white joints, man. Is this still relevant, bruh? Is people still checking for these? I don't even care, because I like them. I'm gonna rock them, you know. It ain't about, you know, what everybody else thinks, but it's just a question, man. These is cold, bro. These is cold, man. And I gotta spray something on here to try to keep them clean, because from what I notice about these shoes, they get dirty easily. As far as like the tint, like the clean color of it, I think it kind of like darkens up quick, you know. But I don't know if people were beating them into the ground or what, but I've seen some pairs that look like, dang, bruh. Like, I hope mine never look like that, but I don't even wear my shoes that much for it to be getting, you know, any type of crazy look to it, man. But here you go, man. Clean. No discoloration or any type of change of color on that translucent back Nike Air that you can barely see, man. But these right here, man, got them back in the collection. Course, dead stock. I didn't go to the used section on this one, man. Your boy had to get a new pair, because like I said, I did have that little credit, and I said, let me go. And I still actually, you know what I'm saying, got a little more change over there I could probably use up on something, because I did pay some cash on it. I didn't want to use it all up, man. But as you can see, whoo, everything is clean with it, man. It's a solid pair, man. Sometimes they'll send you defected pairs and all that good stuff, but I cannot complain with the pair that I got, bro. This is actually, it really looks like my old pair. It looks just like my old pair that I sold, man. So almost like I got that pair back. And I wish I paid $800 like I did pay for my first pair, but I sold my first pair for way more than $800, so it's kind of like I still broke even with what I sold my first pair for. But yeah, man, hey, this is the shoe, you know what I'm saying, that your boy had to reach back and get. They're back in the collection. And follow your boy on IG, bro. Follow me on IG at JTSG. I'ma throw these on with a clean fit real soon, bro. Real soon. Extra laces, right? Everything good with them, of course. Extra laces right there. More extra laces right there. Black. And then of course the mint green. So everything is A1 with it. Hold on, are these the bags? Or were they skinny bags? Were they like slim? I gotta look, bro. I gotta do my research on this stuff, man. But I don't know. But they back in the collection. Hopefully they don't have to go back to GOAT. Hopefully everything checks out with them. But yeah, had to get these back, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. Let me know, is there any shoe that y'all sold, bro? Is there any shoe that y'all sold that y'all want to get back? That y'all would buy back, or you know what I'm saying, like that y'all regret? Let me know down below in the comment section. But that's it for this one. Your boy Jay is checking out with them off-white 4s, you know what I'm saying? More off-whites, RIP Virgil, you know what I'm saying? But that is it for this one. I'm checking out. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow with a movie, bruh. I got a movie for y'all, man. Stay tuned for that. And I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all sub up, hit that like button. Let's get it up to 1.2K likes, man. Ain't nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm gone.